So the CVT, because you don't have to worry about shift points and all of that, it makes it easier for this car to accelerate, but it also saves on the gas mileage as well. So even though it's a 1.4 liter with no turbo, it can still get up without a lot of strain on the motor. But we're gonna give it some throttle here. And this model doesn't have cruise control, but coming down the interstate at 75, I'm getting 32 miles a gallon. And that's on an incline. So in the right conditions, you can expect to see 35 to 40. I like the brake pedal feel. This drives similar to a Corolla or something like that, but has a few more features than you'd find in a base model, one of those, at least for that model year. And with the CVT, like I said before, the power is more readily available because I don't have to find the right gear to be in. We're gonna give it a little throttle here one more time. And as you can see, it goes. Really not bad acceleration at all for this kind of vehicle. And with this being such a small car, it is really easy to drive. It's not the most comfortable or the fastest, but it's one of those cars where you won't have to learn how to drive it for the whole time you have it. So all in all, not a bad car if you can get it at the right price. These were made to be price leaders, and a lot of people love them for that, and because, like I said, they're so easy to drive. So just keep that in mind. And with that being said, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2016 Chevrolet Spark LS.